Now we're gonna compare a plus b over 2 and square root of ab. For a and b both positive numbers. So let's say we have a plus b is the arithmetic mean and square root of ab is the geometric mean. So we have seen in geometry what this one means. But to prove this one, we will use some algebra. I think the best way to do that is to define the difference of the square root. We know that x squared is greater or equal than 0 for any x in the set of real numbers. So we're going to use this fact here by choosing carefully the x. So let x be the square root of a minus square root of b. Okay, so we have square root of a minus square root of b squared is bigger than 0, according to this result here. Now we use the fact from algebra that we know that a minus b squared is a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. So we know this famous inequality identity. So now we have square root of a squared plus square root of b squared minus 2 times square root of a times square root of b is greater or equal than 0. Square root of a squared with a positive is a. The same thing for b. Minus 2, a and b are positive, so the square root of a times square root of b is square root of ab bigger than 0. Okay, so now we add 2 square root of ab to both sides to get this one, and we divide by 2 to get this one. Okay, so this is a result that's very easy to remember using this simple proof. Okay, this is very useful. The next step for us is to see, so this is the square root. Okay, so can we generalize this one? Can we say like a plus b plus c, or let's say a1 plus a2 plus, or maybe let's say a plus b plus c over 3 is greater or equal than the cubed root abc. Okay, so we can prove this one, and in general we can prove that for n numbers, if we assume that we have positive numbers a1, a2, a1, a2, an in R plus, that means positive, then we have a1 plus a2 plus an over n is bigger than the nth root of a1 times a2 times a3 up to an. Okay, this is very famous and we will need it. And the general proof requires some work. We will see if we can prove this one later. Thank you.